So on page 20, we have the remainder of the regions in the world. And instead of writing both huge numbers out, well, I did do that here in my fraction, but I also wanted to write out 747.46 million, and that's divided by 7.84 billion. Unfortunately, million over billion, you can't ignore the words and just divide the numbers. So I went ahead and divided the really big numbers and got my decimal, and then I did not illustrate the process for converting a decimal to a percent, but you know you can write this over 1 and then scale top and bottom by multiplying by 100. Africa is big enough that it is in billions, and so 1.36 billion over 7.84 billion saves me writing out those really huge numbers. And it's a little, when you're typing those into your calculator to divide, it's easy to screw up and miss a zero and then you get the wrong percentage. So when you have the opportunity to cancel the words out, it's good to jump on that. And then you can go more quickly to your decimal. Same for Asia. And I just went to 59%. I didn't keep that extra decimal in that case. I guess I'm just trying to keep it clean. And a lot of students in class were asking about how many decimal places to keep. I don't like to keep too much information. So you should follow the instructions provided when you're doing your online homework. And when you're working in your book, a good rule of thumb is keep 1 or 2 decimal places at most. And in this case, I didn't even keep a decimal place. I just wanted to say 59%. So yeah, I just feel like sometimes too much information is cluttery. Down here, Oceania is a very small part of the world, population-wise, and so we end up with less than 1%, 0.6%. And this is a case in which it is important to write the decimal over 1 and show the scaling, because it's easy for people to mess up and miss that it's 0.6%. And then the percentages that you found you can write on this map below. I just wanted you to think about the world and how its population is distributed over the various land masses. And we'll be talking about population density later.